Some paintings announce themselves before you even start pouring. This one did, and I followed where the colors wanted to go. Welcome back to the Art of Yaomi. Today I'm working with light magenta, scarlet, black, white, and soft light blue that becomes the centerpiece of the entire pour. And the goal today is to have the light blue sit right in the middle of the canvas, forming a bold, abstract design that anchors everything around it. On the right side, scarlet and light magenta blend together beautifully with black and white adding contrast and shape. On the other side, deeper tones of black mixed with magenta and scarlet create a shadowy effect that balance out the brightness of the center. When you're working with colors like black and scarlet, which is the red color, remember that darker pigments can overpower your lighter ones quickly. Scarlet mixes fast, magenta spreads wide, and black will always try to dominate the space unless you guide it slowly. The light blue center works because it's isolated. If it's touched black too soon, it would turn muddy. Keeping your focal color surrounded by lighter tones first helps protect the brightness. This is the balance in acrylic pouring. Learning how each color behaves so you can let the painting breathe. As the paint moved, the colors opened into soft waves and shapes. The blow dryer gave the edges a natural flow. These colors felt emotional to me. The warmth of magenta, the fire of scarlet, the contrast of black, and the softness of light blue. Together, they feel like contrast and harmony at the same time. I wanted this painting to express that balance, a sense of intensity on one side and calm on the other. That's what inspired this composition. When the painting really started to take shape, the dark side instantly became my favorite. I love how the black, scarlet, red, and light magenta worked together, almost like they were creating their own little world on the canvas. It has weight, contrast, and emotion, and it draws your eye in without even trying. Moments like this always spark ideas for my future paintings. If you're an artist, make sure you keep a notebook nearby. Write down your color ideas, the combinations that surprise you, and the moments that make you stop and stare. These little sparks become your next masterpieces. And for my viewers, I would love to hear your suggestions too. What color should I try next? What techniques are you curious about? Drop your ideas in the comments. When I look at the center of this pour, I see an abstract shape that almost feels alive, like it's expanding or forming into something symbolic. But that's just what I see. I love to know what you see in this painting. Tell me in the comments, what does the center design remind you of? And here's the final result. Fiery scarlet, soft magenta, deep black, bright whites, and that stunning light blue pulling everything together with a calm, expressive focal point. If you enjoyed this pour, be sure to like and subscribe. And remember to stay creative and keep painting your life with the colors that inspire you.